All right, so what if I told you guys that you could build your own customer support chatbot, one that talks, listens, chats, feels human, and like I said, it has that web chat capability on top of that if you don't want to actually use it for a phone call. And it's all inside 11 Labs. Very simple. And it takes maybe 5 minutes to set up. So, and there's barely any code, essentially one click where you can copy the widget from 11 Labs. All right, so I'm just going to get right into this really quick so I can keep on my promise of around or under 5 minutes, right? So let's see, we're going to go, first thing we're going to do, we're going to hit WordPress. You can use any website builder for this that allows you to add custom code. And there's plenty of other places to do this, but for now, I know a lot of people use WordPress, and a lot of people have been wondering about it. So this is where we're gonna get started. All right, so the first thing, super simple. We're gonna hit / right? And we're gonna add custom HTML. Very simple. All right, now, next step. Very easy. We're gonna go right over to ChatGPT. And this is something that I did for a demo, really quick. It's a client of mine, Julius, and he has a cleaning service, right? So this is very quick. Literally all you ask ChatGPT is, hey, make me a quick landing page for my cleaning business, right? In HTML. Then, right, I'll copy this really quick. And then we're going to go back to the landing page here, and I'm going to paste it just like this. Simple, right? Now, I will show you step by step in 11 Labs what you need to do as well. So we're going to come over to 11 Labs right here. Sign up if you don't have an account. And all you do is go to the widget tab over here. You want to create an agent. Let's see here. We'll back up a little bit, right? Go to agents just like this. And let's see, Julius right here. Now we go to agent, simple. And then we're going to go to widget right over here, right? Boom. Now, all you do literally is hit copy right here on this widget, the embed code. Literally that simple. All right, so now we're going to run back over to the landing page, right? Now we pasted this code that ChatGPT gave us, and look, end of 11 Labs widget right here. It tells you exactly what to do. I put it right here. Boom. Now we're going to hit preview. Right here. So simple. Right here is Julius's cleaning service demo website. Now, I fully designed him a website, but this is something very simple that I want to showcase really quick. That way, you know, everyday business owners, it's not out of your reach, right? This is something that you can set up, but like I said, under 5 minutes. What? I'm only at around 3 minutes time right now. And yeah, it might take you a little bit longer if you're not familiar to, you know, these platforms. But like I said, look, it's like 3 clicks so far. WordPress, any website builder, Wix, you know, any of those ones will allow you to add a custom code block. I'm pretty sure. I don't use any of these. I do my own custom code because I like the freedom. But it's up to you. But I want to show you how simple it truly is to add this widget. So, you know, if you ever wanted your business to answer customers while you're sleeping, this is it right here. And, you know, if it feels like this is something your business needs, you're about to love what's next here, all right? So all you're going to do is hit start a call on this. Now, we could actually call the agent right here, and it can talk like a human back and forth. I'm not going to do that because I noticed in recordings, it doesn't sound that great. It breaks up. So we're going to do the simple chatbot right here. Send a message. Hey, what are your hours, right? And let's watch what it comes back with. In seconds, hey, I don't have exact operating hours right here because I didn't set them up. So that leads me to the next thing that I want to show you. Very simple. Let's go to 11 Labs, right? Now, all you have to do to set this up is you can go to knowledge base right here, right? You can add a document, you can do the RAG. I'm not going to get too far into that, but you can even type something up if you wanted to. Add a document like this, you know, you can add a URL like your website. You can train it on your website if you already have one built. Create the text, hours. My hours are Monday through Friday, 9 to 5. Typical, right? Let's do it. Now we're going to go back to the landing page here and let's do it again. Might not have saved. It might. Okay, save here. And hey, if this looks easy, it really is. You haven't simply built it yet. That's it. I honestly wish I started using this tool when I first started automating for clients because it's literally so simple. So, all right, now we're going to go back that I saved it, right? Save the changes. Let's see. Here. And I'm going to test it one more time just in case. Okay, that's why I hit image by mistake. So we're going to go back to the knowledge base and we're going to save it. Okay, now it's saved. Let's see if it worked. Hours, Monday, Friday, 9 to 5. Okay. Let's double check it now because I don't want to leave it like that, All right, so let's see. What are your hours again? All right. New message. What are your hours? See? Boom. Here we go. I had to reset it because it was going off the last saved chat where I didn't save it. Right here. Here's a great question. Our hours are Monday through Friday, 9 to 5. And I can get really creative with this, guys. You can, put your pricing. You can do your offers. There's so much endless stuff that you can do to this, right? So if you guys want to stick around for the next video, we're going to turn this friendly voice into an actual sales closer. So check it out right here.